Okay, HobbyBox604 back here doing another 5 packs of Bowman Chrome. Let's see how I do this time. This is part 2. I did 5 packs already. Let's see how I do this one. I see a blue refractor coming up. Nick Swisher, blue refractor out of 250. Just give me the autograph, I'll be happy. Base, 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 and base. I'll even be happy with a Yu Darvish base card, honestly. There's a refractor of Joe Mauer, not numbered. Base and base. Base, 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 and base. There's a rookie card of Zach Wheeler, Derek Jones, and a refractor of Jeremy Ratchin. Base. You know what, guys? I'm probably going to do the rest of the box. It was a new box. I'm just going to do the rest of the box. I'll be back with part 3. Thanks.